All right, I got a pair of Chaco sandals here. And Chaco sandals are really good for outdoor use. They're great for getting wet. They dry real easily. So great for camping, kayaking, anytime you're around water. This is a really good sandal to use. So what I'm going to do is, you can see inside the grooves here, that's where all this dirt really settles in here. So we're going to clean that. We're going to clean these straps. And it's real important to clean these on a regular basis, especially for the people who put lotion on their feet. A lot of it will get built up right inside these straps. So what I'm going to be using is this cleaner right here, Angelus brand Easy Cleaner. You could get this in 2 different sizes, and I'm going to leave the links down below. Just going to put a little in there. We're not going to use a whole lot. And what I'm going to do is just start working it in. I'm trying this brush. I've been using it for a couple days now, and I'm really liking it. If you've watched my other videos, I was using this brush, which is a little bit of a softer bristle. Works great, but I'd like to try new things. And on a tough sandal like this, I wanted to get a stronger bristle. So now what I'm going to do is clean these straps, flip it over, spend as much time as you need. These are really not that bad. I'm not going to spend a whole lot of time on these straps. But this will remove a lot of the sweat buildup, lotion, whatever you have that's built up on those. All right, I'm going to turn the water on just slightly, and I'm going to just work that in. Now what I'm doing is just working out the soap out of the material. All right, I'm gonna put these up to dry, and we will see what these look like after we're done.